Gaza is once again on fire, and this time it is Hamas that is showing its cards with dramatic new visuals. Their armed wing, Al-Qassam Brigade, has released a video that is now making headlines worldwide. So, what's inside? Inside, there are tanks in flames, convoys ripped apart, and Israeli troop position under attack. The clip, reportedly filmed in Khan Younis and alongside the Salah al-Din highway, shows massive fireballs lighting up the night sky. But wait, here's the twist. Hamas is not alone here. They claim that their operations were carried out with the backing of two other militant groups, the Al-Qassam Brigade and Al-Nisar Salah al-Din Brigade. Together, they are calling this campaign part of their Stones of David operation, a symbolic name meant to show David challenging the Goliath, in this particular case, Israel. So the question is, what does this mean? This means that on the ground, Israel's tanks and military convoys are being hit in ways that the world hasn't seen before. For Hamas, this is not just another battlefield gain, it is about optics, about showing the world that they can stand up to one of the most powerful militaries in the Middle East. And for Israel, well, it raises very tough questions. How secure are their troops in southern Gaza? And can they really wipe out Hamas when such coordinated attacks keep surfacing? This is not just another clash. This is a propaganda war. A battle of images, and every explosion caught up on camera is meant to travel far beyond Gaza's borders. Here we are talking about straight into the global narrative.